Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 GMC Acadia. Stock number is A7600. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have 20-inch chrome wheels. Those are wrapped with Bridgestone dueler tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. You have second row bucket and third row bench seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. Up top you have a panoramic sunroof and a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Rear backup sensors and a camera, and this Acadia is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist liftgate, so it's simply the press of a button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise, heated steering wheel, audio and Bluetooth controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation, dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Denali on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.